The first unit of the national park system, dedicated to a Black American, honored neither a president nor a general. It honored a scientist who taught the nation how to heal the land. Give me a minute, and let me tell you a story. Born into slavery around 1864, George Washington Carver became one of America's most influential agricultural scientists. At Tuskegee Institute, he taught farmers to restore soil exhausted from the cultivation of cotton through crop rotation, composting, and planting alternative varieties such as peanuts and sweet potatoes. While many remember Carver for discovering hundreds of uses for peanuts, his greatest contribution was demonstrating that conservation, education, and economic opportunity could work hand in hand. Carver's work was not simply about inventing new products. It was about conservation, self-sufficiency, and helping poor Southern farmers protect both their land and livelihoods. In 1943, Congress established George Washington Carver National Monument in Missouri, the first unit of the national park system created specifically to honor a Black American. Carver's legacy affirms the belief that caring for the earth can also be an act of justice. I'm James Edward Mills of the Joy Trip Project, and this has been an Unhidden Minute.